Your mail. What do you think it is, Maxie? Who's it from?
From Daddy.
Nope, it's from my grandma. It's for your great-grandma. Should be Papa's mommy.
Read it, Mommy. So covered. Money!
Money!
Mommy.
Wow, that's pretty great. It says,
Max,
happy belated birthday wishes. Look at all the balloons on there.
There's a red one on the back, too.
There's a red one on the back, too. You're right. And that says, Max, although this greeting is arriving a bit late, the warm wishes it contains are good on any date. Hope you had a happy birthday. From Grandma Phelan. So sorry, sweetie pie. I liked your drawings very much. Remember those drawings that you sent her? Yeah. What do you say to your great-grandma?
This is your money.
That's for you. That's your birthday present. From your great-grandma.
For me?
Yeah, you can buy anything you want with that.
Oh, where's this guy's name?
Up to the face value.
That is President Lincoln.
President Lincoln.
You got a Lincoln?
Yep. No, this is President Lincoln.
Oh, I see.
That's right. Max, can you say thank you to your great-grandma?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Read this birthday card.
Yeah, we'll read it again. All right, I love you.
What is? Can I read these in it?
Yeah, you want me to read it again?
In here.
Okay, we will. Can I get it again?
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.